With waters receding, some roads near Broome are reopening. But Derby and Fitzroy Crossing remain cut off.
But we need help soon as possible. We can't be waiting.
In here is a complete floodway. Right, now we don't know how deep that is.
Locals and Fitzroy evacuees were shown this footage of the roads at a community meeting in Derby. Among them, former long-term Shire President Elsa Archer.
Never. In all my years here, I have never seen anything like this.
About 60 evacuees have returned to remote communities, but for others, the wait could be much longer.
I am here to listen and hear your concerns, and obviously there will be frustrations as well.
As frustrations grow, authorities have introduced temporary liquor restrictions in Derby and Broome. Emergency services say they'll get evacuees back into their homes as soon as they know the basics are intact.
Power, water and sewerage.
Access to fuel, another concern.
Between Mowanjum, Yeater, Meter, Kimberley Downs, they'll all need diesel.
Yeah.
90,000 litres is not going to be a lot at all.
Pastoralists reliant on equipment for their huge clean-up.
We've also got to run trucks, machinery, cars, everything.
Yeah.
Have you taken that into account?
Look, I'd like to think we're taking it all into account.
Many who'd driven south for Christmas can fly home, but their cars are stranded, dozens stuck at Broome Airport.
They've got to get to work and they've got to get around, and they don't have a car. So to try and find some way to get their vehicles back here would be good. And also some people went away with pets and they can't get them back.
Cars a necessity in such vast country.